Hi, I'm Andy from icookyoubake. I know I haven't been on for quite some time, but I'm back. Today we're going to make a mushroom omelette. It's probably one of the easiest things you can ever make. I'm going to show you the basic recipe. Starting with 3 eggs. You need 3 eggs for one person. And then afterwards I'm going to put the mushroom directly onto the egg and then fold it over. I'll start off with breaking 3 eggs. And then salt and pepper. And you give it a quick whisk. You can use a fork or you can use a proper whisk, doesn't matter. Now I quite like using this fry light. It's quite healthy, so I use that quite often on recipes. So just heat the pan. Need it quite hot for an omelette. So once it starts getting hot, we'll place the eggs in the pan. A lot of people struggle making an omelette, even though it's quite basic. They don't know what to do. This is the proper restaurant way of how to make an omelette. I was shown this way when I went to college, and I've always used this recipe. Right, because this is a mushroom omelette, I've used about 100 grams of mushrooms and just chopped them up. Cooked them for about probably 4 or 5 minutes, and then you put salt and pepper on. And you cook it for about 4 or 5 minutes until they're quite soft. That's been cooking for about 3 or 4 minutes now, so they are quite soft. Right, so you leave them to one side. That's quite hot now, is that the pan, the egg. You put your egg on, straight in. And the beauty about this, you just keep pulling it in from the side. Like that. I do know quite a few people that actually struggle making a basic omelette like this. But honestly, it is the most easiest thing you can ever do. Just keep pulling it in like that. Also, as well, for an omelette this size, you need this shape of omelette pan as well. You can obviously make big ones with a big pan, but it's going to be a bigger omelette obviously. But for an ideal omelette this size for one person, you need, it's probably 8-inch, 9-inch omelette pan. See how it's setting now on the side. While it's running in the middle, just make sure it's not sticking on the side, and then what I do while it's still running in the middle, I get me mushrooms. Come in the middle. You don't need too much mushrooms on this, because it's if you have too many mushrooms, you'll end up pouring out all over the plate. It's about presentation really with an omelette. It's got to look nice on the plate. The thing is as well, you don't want it setting too much, else you won't be able to fold it over. So that's that now, where it's like that, where it's a bit wet in the middle. That's just ideal to start folding it over now. So you fold it over to the middle like that. Take it off the heat. This is where you plate it up. Fold it over a bit more. And there you have it. Perfect mushroom omelette. Right, anyway, thank you very much for supporting me on the other video about the white black spread. You've been fantastic. Thank you for sharing it with everybody, and hopefully you'll share this video with people as well. I know it's only basic, but you get the basic concept about how to make an omelette now, and hopefully you'll be able to make it yourself. Anyway, thank you very much for supporting me, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Thank you.